Let me show you how you can add a funny sound like this under your video to help your video to get more quality, to have engagement, to go viral here on TikTok. If this is your first time to come across my video, support me to click the plus sign to follow my page. Click this video as your favorite. Anything you discovered, write it down at the comment section. I am also there to give you more guidelines. And support me to share this video so that others will also learn on how to add such a funny sound under their video to make their video to get more quality, to get engagement, to go viral here on TikTok. With your TikTok editing, tap the plus sign like you want to make a post. Go to your gallery, select the video that you want to add the funny sound.
Man in my village.
Let's go to the editing.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village?
Stop the video, then split. Tap on the video, then you click split. Then add that funny sound now. Add it. Watch what will happen.
Could you believe I'm the poorest man in my village? Then why are you laughing over it?
This is how to create such a funny video here in TikTok. Share this video for more.